Hey guys, this is 911 Gadgets. Now, I know these pair of glasses might not be considered a gadget, but I'm excited because I just ordered a pair of lenses for these frames, and I got them from this place called Lensable. They were $77, and we're about to see exactly what it's about. I'm gonna try to transfer the frames from, the lenses from here to here. Shouldn't be too hard. So they come in this little triangular case. Comes with a cleaning kit. So what exactly is in here? Okay, let's start. It's good to see you. Let's go ahead and start the... Let's open these up real quick. Collapsible. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Let's go ahead and start. Let me open these up real quick. So which one's left and which one's right? I guess it goes like this. Yep, that looks right. So it looks like this is the right one, this is the left. Otherwise, they don't fit any other way. Yeah, okay. So let's start this. Let's get our little screwdriver, a little fine tip. I'm pretty sure it's just one screw on each side. Yep, there's a screw right here that holds the frame. Hope I don't mess this up. I'm kind of sad because these are polarized lenses, man. This is actual glass. Oops, probably shouldn't be doing that. Let's scratch it. Okay. Sounds like glass. Sounds like plastic. So yeah, I'm kind of sad that these are gonna be just stored. If anybody wants to buy them, these are for Rayban Aviators 3025, 3025, 58mm. Some alcohol. So now we can go and install this lens. Let me see how accurate they made it. Guys, it might not close. It looks like it will, but it might be kind of tight. I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be sad if. Okay, yeah, kind of will close on it. I think it will, man. It's gonna be a tight fit, but it's gonna fit. I guess they do know what they're doing. So these are prescription lenses, guys. I I need glasses to see from far. Okay, so now I'll put this here. It's gonna be hard. Okay, so let me show you guys real quick what it looks like with 1 and 1. I'm digging these glasses, man. Yeah, this is so cool, man. I'm glad I got the clear lenses on these, and looks like I can see. I'm closing one eye, I'm closing this eye real quick, but it looks like, I hope the prescription is good. I mean, I went to the Costco eye doctor there. All right. Okay, next we're gonna do this lens. Let me clean it as well. So my wife told me that she was watching a video or reading something that said when you order frames that are designer, yeah, they can cost up to $1,000, $2,000, right? Well, some of these, she said that a lot of these, they're only like $1. You know, the frames are only like $1, yet we're paying hundreds of dollars for them. So it's like, man, that's a good markup, you know, that's a good business. Luckily I didn't pay that much for these. Like I said, I had already got these. I had these glasses. I made a deal. I think I traded like a laptop or something for these polarized ones. So I didn't really pay much for them. I think I bought that laptop for like 50 bucks. So I got these for $50 with the polarized lenses. I don't usually wear sunglasses. If I wear them, I'll only wear them for like 5-10 minutes, and then my eyes are just like tired of, I want light in my eyes, you know, so I don't really wear them, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them for my night glasses. Okay, so here we got this other lens. Okay, and there you go. Let me clean them real quick with this cool little microfiber cloth that they gave me. This cool little cleansing kit. So I imagine you spray the actual glass, right? So here we go. Okay. And then we do the inside. All right. Let's check it out. Let's put these on. And I just hope my doctor got the prescription right. What do you guys think? Do they look good or? Okay. Man, I feel like they're too. The prescription is way too much, man. I don't know. Maybe I just gotta get used to them, huh? I feel like I see double. I don't know. Well, I do like the glasses. I like the style, and I guess I'm just gonna have to try them out at night and see if I don't get tired of wearing them. Thank you guys for watching. If anybody wants to buy these, I'll sell them to you guys for like what, 20 bucks, and I'll ship them to you. So maybe 25, so that can cover the shipping. Cool. See you guys on the next video. Bye.